Look at all this plastic everywhere. It's everywhere. There is plastic all over the place. On the edges of all this soil, you see trash everywhere, lined in here. Everywhere. Plastics, cans, more plastics. Everything you could imagine is in this dirt, and they're just dumping it in the ocean right now. Whatever they're bringing in, it really smells like sewage almost. Massive amounts of trash in the ocean. In every scoop of this stuff, you're just seeing trash everywhere. There's got to be a better way to do this. We can't just dump all this